Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel Tutel Age. So today we are going to see exercise 7.5 in the chapter fractions of grade 6 in your NCERT syllabus. Okay, so now we will get into the video. You see the first sum. Write this fraction approximately as addition or subtraction. Okay, so see the first sum. How many parts is shaded? One part is shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one part is shaded out of 5 parts. And then you see the what operation they did not mention, you have to find out. Okay, so here see 2 parts is shaded out of 5 parts, and then you see the answer they gave us 3 parts is shaded out of 5 parts. So 1 is there, 2 is there. If you add 1 and 2 only, you will get 3, right? So the mode of operation here is plus. So 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 gives you 3 by 5. This is your answer. Okay, now next sum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts is shaded out of 5 parts. Okay. Then see here 1, 2, 3. 3 parts is shaded out of 5 parts. Okay. Which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Which is equal to 3 parts is shaded out of 5 parts. Wait a minute. In this sum, this part is not shaded. Okay. This part is not shaded. Only 2 by 5. So you get the answer as 2 by 5. Okay, children. Now see, 5 is there, 3 is there. When you will get 2? So 5 minus 3 gives you 2, right? So what operation here? It is minus. 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5 will give you 2 by 5. That is represented in the diagram. We wrote it in the verbal form. Okay, now see this small dots represent that it is shaded. So this is what? 2 out of 6. So 2 part is shaded out of 6 part. Here 3 part is shaded out of 6 part, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 part is shaded out of 6 part. 2 is there, 3 is there. If you add 2 and 3, you will get 5. Okay, so 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6 gives you 5 by 6. So this is your answer. Now we will move on to the next sum. So this is your next sum. In this they gave solve. You have to solve the given sums. Okay, see 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18 is what? It is 2 by 18. Okay. 2 by 18. If you leave it, you need not simplify it again. Okay, leave it as such. 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15. Denominators are same, so we can add the numerators. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. So 11 by 15. Okay. 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. 7 minus 5, it is 2. 2 by 7. 1 by 22 plus 21 by 22. That is 22 by 22. Okay. Next one, 12 minus 7 by, that is 12 by 15 minus 7 by 15. So what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 5 by 15. Okay. Here 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8. That is 8 by 8. 1 minus 2 by 3. See, in this one whole number is there, one fraction is there. So what you have to do means you have to multiply this denominator with this 1. So that is 3. 1 into 3 is 3 minus 2 divided by 3. So 3 minus 2 is what? 1 by 3. This is your answer. Hope you understand. Okay, 1 by 4 plus 0 by 4. Your answer is 1 by 4. 3 minus 12 by 15. Multiply 3 with 15. Sorry, 3 with 5. You will get 15. 15 minus 12 by 5. 15 minus 12 is 3. So 3 by 5 is your answer. So if you want, you can simplify this. I will simplify and show. So 1 2s are 2. 9 2s are 18. So answer is 1 by 9. 11 by 15 is such as it will not go. It will not go. 22 by 22. So it is 1. 5 by 15 is 1 by 3. Okay, 8 by 8 is again 1, remaining as such. Okay, now we will move on to the next sum. So this is your next question, word problem sum. So Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall space in his room. So Shubham is painting 2 by 3 of the wall space. Okay, his sister Madhavi helped and painted 1 by 3 of the wall space. His sister Madhavi, how much is painting? 1 by 3. How much did they paint together? So together, how much did they paint together? They are asking. Okay, so let's take how much Shubham painted. Shubham painted equal to 2 by 3. And then Madhavi painted equal to 1 by 3. Now we are going to add this together because they asked all together. All together means you have to add. Okay, so Shubham plus Madhavi. Addition 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Denominators are same, so you can add the numerators. 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3. See, out of 3 parts is completed, which is nothing but if you simplify equal to 1. So they painted the whole wall fully. Okay, that is your answer. They painted the wall completely. That is your answer. Now we'll move on to the next sum. So what you have to do means you have to fill in the missing fractions. On box is given, you have to fill the box with the missing fraction. Okay, now we'll get into the sum. See, 7 by 10 minus box gives you 3 by 10. So 7 by 10, you have to solve like this. Bring the 3 by 10 this side and bring the box that side. 7 minus 3 by 10 is equal to, here plus is there, if it comes this side it becomes minus. Box minus is there, if the box goes this side it will become plus box. Okay, so denominators are equal, so you can subtract the numerator. 7 minus 3 is what? 4 by 10. Okay, 4 by 10 equal to box. Okay, now you can write 7 by 10 minus 4 by 10 equal to 3 by 10, which is your answer. Hope you understand this sum. Next one, make the box go that side and bring this side. Okay. Otherwise, keep the box this side itself. Take the minus that side. Okay. 5 by 21. Here minus means this side comes it plus 3 by 21. So box is equal to 8 by 21. Now you can write 8 by 21 minus 3 by 21 gives you 5 by 21. You can cross verify. 8 minus 3 is 5. So the answer is correct. The box is 8 by 21. Okay. Here the box is 4 by 10. Hope you understand. Okay. See the next sum. Here keep the box this side and then take this minus that side. It will become plus 3 by 6. So if you add, you get 6 by 6, right? So if you put in the box 6 by 6 minus 3 by 6 gives you 3 by 6. You cross verify, 6 minus 3 is 3. So your answer is correct. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next sum. This one, keep the box this side and then take the 12 by 27, take the 5 by 27 this side, it will become minus 5 by 27. 12 minus 5 is 7 by 27. So you can write 7 by 27 plus 5 by 27 gives you 12 by 27. That's all. This is your answer. Now we'll move on to the next sum. So see the next sum. Javed was given 5 by 7 of a basket of oranges. Oh, so Javed's oranges is how much? It is 5 by 7. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? So what fraction is left there asking? So total oranges we'll consider it to be 1. Okay, always in fraction 1 is considered to be the whole. Okay. Okay, then what you have to do means left oranges you have to subtract 1 minus 5 by 7. So multiply here, 1 into 7 is 7. 7 minus 5 by 7 which is equal to 2 by 7. Okay, so left oranges is how much? 2 by 7. Did you understand? Now we'll move on to the, with this your exercise 7.5 is completed. In your next exercise we will be completing 7.6 with that fraction exercise. Fraction chapter is completed. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please do share with your friends and subscribe and comment and also click the bell button without fail. Okay, thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.